Welcome to Sweet Life Beet Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make mixed berry jam. First, select about 2 pounds of your favorite ripe fruits, such as strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries. Wash them thoroughly and remove any stems or bruised spots. Next, sterilize your canning jars and lids by submerging them in boiling water for at least 10 minutes. This crucial step ensures your jam remains fresh and safe for long-term storage. Have all your equipment ready, including a large, heavy-bottomed pot. Now, let's start cooking our fruit base. Place your 2 pounds of prepared mixed berries into a large, heavy-bottomed pot. Add about 1/4 cup of water to prevent sticking, then bring the mixture to a gentle boil over medium-high heat. Once boiling, reduce the heat to a simmer and cook for approximately 10 to 15 minutes. Stir occasionally, mashing the fruit gently with a spoon until it softens and releases its juices. This is where the magic happens. Once your fruit is soft, add 4 cups of granulated sugar and 1 standard packet of fruit pectin. Stir continuously until both are fully dissolved. Increase the heat and bring the mixture to a full, rolling boil that cannot be stirred down. Boil vigorously for exactly 1 minute, timing it carefully. This rapid boil is essential for activating the pectin, which will give your jam its perfect set. Almost done. Carefully ladle the hot jam into your sterilized jars, leaving about 1/4 inch of headspace from the rim. Wipe the jar rims thoroughly with a clean, damp cloth to ensure a good seal. Place the lids and screw bands on, tightening them finger-tight. Finally, process the filled jars in a boiling water bath for 10 minutes. This crucial step creates a vacuum seal, allowing your delicious homemade mixed berry jam to be stored for up to 1 year.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.